Hi everyone, I'm Stella Wong, and in this two-part series I'll be going over how to access school information in both the parent and student perspective. This is part 1 for students, so check the Bruin channel if you want to see part 2, which is in the parent's perspective. I'll also link the video down in the description. Though there are some changes due to COVID-19, I'll be going over most of what's necessary for incoming students. First, look under About Us and you'll see the bell schedule, school calendar, and campus map. Once we are back to at-school learning, I highly recommend new students take photos of the bell schedule and map to become more familiar with our school structure. Branham has released a new bell schedule that will be in place for at least the time we are in full distance learning, so be sure to check it either from the school news or the See What's Bruin Instagram page, which we will go over in a bit. Another thing to know with the school calendar is that small events are not normally listed, so you should wait to get that information from your teachers. Also, under the About Us tab, you can find a list of all the school staff where you can email everyone directly. This is a good way to contact counselors, teachers, and more. Next, we're going to look at school news and click on See What's Bruin. This is our school Instagram account, and all of these posts are directed towards students, so it's a good way to stay updated. Branham also has plenty of club and association accounts. I'll put in the other main Branham account in the description. Students should receive other news such as schedule updates and the school bulletin through their school accounts. Third, if you click on Student Services, you'll find things like the Parent-Student Handbook, the Student Locker Agreement, Wellness Center information, student parking contracts, and work permits. A lot of things require you to fill out some paperwork, so make sure you go to the website and check what you need to complete before you go to a teacher or a staff member. Next, go to Activities and Extracurriculars, where you'll find the Associated Student Body Government, known as ASB, information about clubs, information and papers for dances, and other things about school events or groups. A lot of people are especially curious about ASB, which is our leadership program, and if you're an incoming freshman, you should have gotten the opportunity to apply before school started. For sophomore and upperclassmen, you'll learn more about the application process through school news or teachers. For clubs, you can find general information on the website page, but because this year we are shifting towards using a note-taking app called Notion, students will have access to updated information as soon as it is released. Next, we have academic offerings, where you'll see departments, community college/dual enrollment, summer assignments, course catalog, and AP/honor classes. In departments, you have access to different forms and also a four-year plan. Here, all the credit requirements to graduate are listed. At the time of this video, the community college and dual enrollment page are down, but the district and administration normally send out announcements regarding the two. If you are curious about how they work, Bruin also has additional resources on our website. Next, there are summer assignments, which only applies to those who are going to start an AP class in the upcoming school year. These are mandatory and must be completed before your classes start. Finally, you can find the course catalog under Academic Offerings, which is a PDF consisting of, like the name suggests, all the possible classes you can take. There are courses that only apply to the specific school in this district, so be sure to confirm that you can actually take the course at the school you are enrolled in. Finally, there's athletics, where all the sports in each season are listed. There are conditioning dates, tryout dates, and more on these few pages. It is also required for you to get cleared on several things and/or fill out the necessary forms. Some of these dates and requirements may change due to COVID, so be sure to check the website at an appropriate time. You can find updated information on sport and conditioning seasons on the BHS Bear Witness, the Branham News Instagram page. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and go follow Bruin for more content. Thanks everyone.